Hello everyone, it's me again. So you know that I'm in Singapore, so it's late at night now, and me and my family are planning to go to the Jewel Changi Airport to actually see that waterfall. Remember in the first video I talked of wanting to see there. I remember telling you there would be some light show there as well. So we'll be going now. So I'll see you there. Alright, we reached the place. Another thing that I've heard is that the Jewel Changi Airport also works as a mall. It also functions as a mall. So, wow. Alright, we'll go see that waterfall. Alright, we reached the waterfall. As you can see right here. Oh, I see, it's inside. Yeah, this is inside. Alright, so you remember when I told you that the waterfall was covered in a glass dome? So my chechima told me the one with the one whose house with uncle we stayed in. Apparently she told me there's actual water coming down when you go at the top. And we're here at the very top. So now you can actually see the water coming down. Alright, 3, 2, 1, here it is! Oh my goodness, you can see the light show now. now the show has really begun. Alright, let's see.